Alright, this video I want to show you exactly how you could make at least $1,000 to yourself in the next few minutes, right? So now this is a kind of mini course because this is something I could have actually packaged and sell it on Facebook or anywhere and make a lot of money, and I'm giving it out for free right now. So I want you to pay maximum attention and listen to me, right? So this method is free. You don't need to pay any money to anybody. You don't need to buy any course. You don't need to buy anything. Just stay with me and focus. Alright, so before we go into the course, like this video and click the plus icon so you follow me and see more videos about making money online. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing to do is come to your browser and type in Warrior Plus, as you could see it on my screen. Then you click on sign up for free, okay, and just put in your name and your email address. That is all you need, and you sign up for free. Okay, right. So me, I've got an account with them, so I'll just sign in. So click on sign in, and ask me for my email and my password, and I've got them saved. So okay, so here we are on the marketplace, and now what I want you to do is, once you're logged in, just come to this place and click on this menu, this three dot on the top left corner, then and come to the section of affiliates, right? So then click on offers. Okay, it will take you to the hottest product selling on the platform. Okay, now I want to show you how to actually send a request and get approval to promote a product. Now this product is high ticket AI, and it's kind of hot in this right now, and the conversion is actually 14%. What it means is, if you send 100 people to this place, you about 14 people will buy immediately. You come to this place that says request. You send a request. Okay, now click on the request and tell him you want to promote his product. Now I've gotten a script for you. You could just screenshot it right now. This is it. You can screenshot it right now. I will paste it here. All right, so now I've done what I want to do. I'll request offer, and so my request has been sent. Once I've been approved, so on this page that says request, you see something like copy link. So I'll have my link there and copied it, and that is all. So now that is step number one. So step number two is actually coming to this your browser and type in medium.com. Okay, it's an article-based website. So once you've been approved, so the next thing you should be doing is writing articles about the product and uploading it to this website. You see, people are writing things on this website and they are getting seen. Let me show you to know that this website is very it ranks very well on Google. And to check the power of medium.com, and I want to show you that this system works, and search medium.com. Medium.com is here already. Alright, so this site is crazy, right? So it have about 142 million visitors every month, right? Most of them are coming from US, India, United Kingdom, and Canada, Brazil, and other countries, right? So, and because the traffic is mainly coming from US, so you're going to make lots of money once your article ranks number one. Now, how to write your article? That is step number 3. Just come to your browser and type in Chatgpt, then come in and you sign up. Okay. Alright, so me, I've gotten an account before, so it just logged me in. So if you are new, it might ask you to sign up. Just your name, your email, and your phone number, and you are in. So now, let's say the product is about how to make money using AI, right? So the high ticket AI, and just an example in this our class. Okay, your own can be anything else. So now just come to ChatGPT and ask, alright, it will write everything for you. You see it has started writing. Okay, you could see it. If you're done writing everything, just copy everything here, and once you've opened your account with medium.com, just paste it there, and you could continue. Alright, so that's how you make thousands of dollars yourself using ChatGPT and affiliate marketing together. So if you know you got value from this video, I just want you to comment value, then follow me and like this video. Share to friends and family who are interested in making money online, and let's make the money together. See you on my next video.